Hi everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating a modern Ramadan poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. I have selected a color that I will use in this design. Go to the File menu, choose Place, select the image and click the Place button. The link to the assets used in this design is mentioned in the video description. Adjust its size and position. Click on the Embed button to embed it. Then go to the Edit menu, select Edit Colors and convert it to grayscale. Go to the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Apply a gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Select both objects. Open the Transparency panel and click on the Make Mask button. Reduce its opacity to 60%. Draw a vertical rectangle using the Rectangle tool. Follow my gradient settings. Change the blending mode to multiply. Place the supporting images into the design. Place the first PNG. Lock the selection. Now, add a shadow under this PNG. Follow me through that process. Select the Type tool and type your text. I already copied the Ramadan Kareem text from Google. Paste it into Photoshop. The font used is Arabic Ijaza. Right-click on it and choose Create Outlines. Double-click on it to enter isolation mode. Follow my adjustment settings. I have the text and logo ready. Incorporate them directly into the design. Finally, add the texture image to the design. Change its blend mode to multiply and set the opacity to 30%. Click on the Recolor button to change the colors. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.